Students, continue with our topic exponents or powers. Today we are going to start laws of exponents. In this first law says, if we are finding the product of two or more numbers with same bases and different powers, then we will keep the base as common and we will add their powers. Like if we see x raised to power m is multiplied by x raised to power n, then answer will be x raised to power m plus n. As example, if we see 2 square is multiplied by 2 cube gives us answer 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 5. In derivation, if we see 2 square can be written as 2 into 2 and 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. In all we get here 5 2's. So in exponential form it can be written as 2 raised to power 5 and 5 we are getting as the sum of 2 and 3 also. Second law says, if we find quotient of the numbers which are in exponential form with same bases and different powers, then we will keep their base common and we will subtract their powers. Like x raised to power m is divided by x raised to power n gives us answer x raised to power m minus n. As example, if we see 5 raised to power 6 is divided by 5 raised to power 4 gives us answer 5 raised to power 6 minus 4 is equal to 5 square or 5 raised to power 2. Here first power is greater than second power, means m is greater than n. So answer we are getting with positive exponent. In derivation, if we see 5 raised to power 6 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 and 5 raised to power 4 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Divide is there, so we can cut 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 5 by 5 and 5 by 5. Here 5 into 5 is remaining. We can write it as 5 raised to power 2 or 5 square. If m is smaller than n, means first power is smaller than second power. Like example, if we see 5 raised to power 4 is divided by 5 raised to power 6, then answer will be 5 raised to power 4 minus 6 is equal to 5 raised to power minus 2, means answer we are getting with negative exponent. Third law is, if number is having two powers together, then powers are multiplied. Like if x raised to power m is having whole raised to power n also, then answer will be x raised to power m into n is equal to x raised to power mn. In example, if we see 3 square is having whole raised to power cube, then answer will be 3 raised to power 2 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 6. In derivation, if we see 3 square can be written as 3 into 3 and whole raised to power 3 or cube is there, so it can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and in all we get answer 3 raised to power 6. Now fourth law is saying, if base is different and powers are same, then we will multiply the base and we will keep the power as common. Like x raised to power m is multiplied by y raised to power m, then answer will be x into y whole raised to power m. As example, if we see 2 cube is multiplied by 3 cube, as 2 and 3 bases are different and 3 and 3 powers are common, so answer will be 2 into 3 whole raised to power 3 and we are getting final answer 6 raised to power 3 or 6 cube.